Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am back with another Pinterest video where I take my Pinterest board, get some inspirations, and use my own closet to recreate them. That's probably the smoothest this intro's ever gone. Wow, I'm proud of myself. 17 videos later, we're finally getting the hang of it. Anyways, you guys know the drill if you are not new here, but I'm going to take 4 pictures that I was inspired, their outfits, and use my own wardrobe to recreate them. I love making these videos. I think they're really helpful to just point out that, like, if you know your style, putting together outfits and getting inspiration is super easy and it's a really seamless process. So even in the midst of me packing and moving all my clothes, I still am able to create outfits that I love because I still have these clothes out because I'm still wearing them. So I picked out 4 today. They're kind of different across the board. So let's go ahead, without further ado, and jump into look number 1. My girl, I don't know. I done one of her outfits before. She's always in stripes. She's always in button-up. She's always adorable. So I have pretty much every single piece of this outfit. It's very classic, and I love it. It's very, it can be anything. It can be very Parisian. I think she is strolling the streets of Rome or Paris or France, someplace cool. Whereas I'm wearing this in Illinois, but nonetheless, still a very classic look. This could be very 4th of July. It could also just be very classic and basic, and I think it's so good. So, timeless pieces. Let's see how do with look number 1. Okay, so for look So for look number 1, I'm going to change into like a little white tank and some navy trouser shorts, and you know the drill, we'll accessorize. I feel like one of my, like, not like party tricks, party trick, one of my things where I'm like, I don't know, I guess shock people the most. So my Pilates teacher this morning, she's like an older lady, not like old, but she's like an older lady, right? I think I've explained to her, or I've told you at one point, whether it was here on my vlog channel, like if Woodstock was a person, that's her. Very just like, whatever. Anyways, our music reflects that in Pilates class. And she had like Crosby, Stills, and Nash on, and she was like, I bet you're too young to know what this is. And I'm like, bet me. And I start singing. Like, because my mom listened to so much music. There was not just one genre. Like, she listened to so much music. And I thank her for that, because I feel like, I don't know, I know so much different music from different times, different genres, like not just like what I currently listen to, which I like that about myself. Scott and I have pretty different like taste in music, like generally speaking. He doesn't mind country, but I'm definitely a country girl when I'm in my car. But I also love 90s, like 90s music is like my favorite. Like I just love it, like love a good classic 90s playlist. It's just everything. And it's Arlo's favorite music. Like whenever we're coming home from a restaurant and we're all in the car, we put on 90s, he calls it rock and roll, but it's not really rock and roll, it's more like alternative kind of, like, I don't know, it's just so good. And he always asks for it, so I wonder what his like style of music is gonna be, / I wonder what's gonna be considered like oldies and all that, you know what I mean? It's so interesting to think, but I feel like music is just not what it used to be. And I was thinking specifically with country, like there's not very many, like if you think of like the 90s country girls, Trisha Yearwood, Reba McEntire, I don't know if she was technically 90s, probably, Faith Hill, I'm trying to think, there's more I just can't think of right now. And I was like, there's really not that many girl singers, but you know who really, I'm not a huge country girl singing fan, just because I feel like I don't really like their music that much, but Lainey Wilson, Heart Like a Truck, so good, like so good. That is like, and Wildflowers and Wild Horses, that is just very like 90s country music to me, and I really like it. I think she's got that old school, like, I don't know how to explain it, like timeless country classic music vibe to her. I don't even know what she looks like, I just know her music. Anyway, let's accessorize. This is a very classic outfit. I feel like her outfits always have a bit of luxury to them, and I like that. I like that about her because it's like not everything has to be designer, but if you like a classic timeless piece, it's a good good thing to invest in if it's something you like to invest in. Slash, not invest, okay? I also hate when people use the term invest. Like, Scott has a Rolex and he's like, you know, it's a good investment. I'm like, okay, I get that, but like, it's not currently making you money. I guess you could sell it, but you don't plan on selling it. Like, let's be real. So, like, I'm not probably gonna ever sell these sandals. I'm just gonna use them. Therefore, they're not an investment. They're just a luxury. Anyway, I don't have the exact bag she does, but a straw bag I think would be cute. She kind of has it off the shoulder. She just has a very carefree but classic look to her, and I love all of her outfits. So this is how we did with look number 1. I think we nailed it. So let's move on to look number 2. Okay, look number 2, again, very classic, very timeless. And shows you that, like, no matter what, if you have these basic staples in your wardrobe, you can put together an outfit like this, and I just think it looks good. It's a very polished, very finished look that can be worn anywhere, and I feel like is good whether you're just hanging around in your own hometown, you're traveling. These are great basics to have at all times. A good pair of denim shorts, a white button-up, and then your accessories are your choice. Let's see how I do with look number 2. Look. Are we crooked? We might be. We're not, still kind of crooked. Anyway, look number 2. We're gonna swap these trousers for some denim shorts and this white tank for a white button-up, and then you know the drill. We'll accessorize. This is a very classic, plain, simple outfit, but I think it's gonna come together and look kind of cute. We'll see. We'll see. They're so good from H&M. Such a good, like, affordable buy. They're like not too long. They look like a shorter short, but they're just so comfortable. Comfy. Oh, and okay. So the accessories for this outfit, we're gonna see how it goes, because I actually did pack away my black sweater, because I was like, you're not gonna need a black sweater over the next, like, you know, couple weeks. So I definitely packed that away, but we're gonna see what I can do. We're gonna see if a navy sweater works, slash like omit the sweater. Probably not omit it, because I'm up for a sweater over the shoulder moment. Okay. These shorts are also pretty flattering. Like, they just kind of go in and then go out. A-line, Kelly? There's a term for that. Okay. And then the black belts. I think hers are silver, but whatever. It's gonna be gold. And I also cannot see what shoes she's wearing, but I'm gonna wear my little flats. My little black flats. These little guys, I love these so much. I freaking cut my toe so bad the other day. I was like, Arlo was in the bath and I was just running into the office really quick, and then he was running back and I stubbed my toe on our tape dispenser, which we have one of those like industrial tape dispensers that have this serious jagged edges, which I'm so frightened of those edges, whether it's from tinfoil, because I cut my finger on it when I was younger, and that I sliced the side of my toe. I was bleeding so bad. I say that because I'm about to put this shoe on and I took my band-aid off earlier this morning and I'm nervous it's gonna hurt. It was bleeding so profusely. And you know when you even get the smallest cut on your foot and you're just like limping around like, oh, like your whole toe fell off? That's me. That's me. And then I wonder where my son gets his dramatic drama from. So funny story, my mom and I used to call each other, I used to call my mom Stinky and she used to call me Smelly. I don't know why, it was just our thing. Not like in a bad way, just like a thing, okay? And you should also know that my family, like, we all just like have names for each other. We never call each other by their real names. Like, I was talking to my brother the other day and I was like, or I was talking to Scott the other day and I was like, you know, I really like the name Greta if we have a girl. And I was like, my mom's nicknames, people used to call her that. I have no idea why, where it came from. And I was talking to my brother. I was like, do you know where it came from? And he was like, no. And he's like, but I do like the name Greta. And I was like, so do I. Scott doesn't, but we can work on him. He didn't like Arlo either, and we worked on it. So we all just have weird nicknames. So whenever I say goodnight to Arlo, like obviously say goodnight to him, but then he's like, Mom! And he's like, I'm like, good night, Arlo, I love you. Like, I'm in the bed. And he's like, good night, farty party, stinky mommy butt. And I'm just like, yeah, just like us. Scott hates it. I love it because it just, I don't know, it makes him just, he's not saying those words like at school. He just like knows that we say it to each other. Because I'm always like, good night, stinky butt. And he's like, night, farty party, mommy booty cheeks. And I'm just like, Have I ruined my child's? I don't care, I love it. I love it. Anyway, okay, this is look number 3, or 2. This is look number 2. I think this came together cute. Mine looks very different than hers. I feel like it just does, but I like it. Her shorts are a little bit tighter. I like the loose fit, and I like the navy. It still works. So navy and black, cute. I was gonna go brown accessories, but then I was like, you know, let's just see what the navy and black work together, and spot on. So that was a hit. Let's move on to look number 3. Okay, look number 3. I feel like I've done this. Have I done this? No, I have not done this. I love this picture so much that I actually bought everything to recreate it because it was constantly just in my face, in my face, in my face. And I wanted these blue shoes and I wanted a white dress. And I love this look. I think it's perfection. I think it's cute. She's just sitting on the streets, having lunch with a friend. Like, I don't know. I love everything about this outfit. I actually wore this outfit. I think I'm thinking of this. I actually wore this exact outfit we went to a brewery like a couple weekends ago with some friends, but this is cute. It screams summer. It screams just casual but basic but adorable with the fun pop of sneakers. So let's see how I do with look number 3. All right, look number 3, we're going really simple. I'm gonna just do this little white dress. I love this look so much. I always am like, don't buy new, just use what you have. I bought this basic entire outfit basically because I love it that much. And that's okay too because I've worn it. And I will continue to wear it. It's just, I mean, they're both classic timeless pieces, or the dress is a classic timeless piece. The shoes are not, but nonetheless, I'm gonna actually put the shoes on now because if I don't, I'll wrinkle the dress. And normally I don't really care, but I just don't feel like, I ironed it. Like if I'm out, I don't care, I mean, like, because linen wrinkles. But when I first wear it, I like it to be crispy. And I'm not wearing this out, so I want it to be crispy the next time I wear it because I ironed it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. These shoes, I also need to take a file to and like buff out the suede because I like got them dirty, really dirty. The other day I was thinking, not next year, not next summer, not this summer, not next summer, but the following summer, Arlo will be 6, a little over 6. I want to do our first international trip for like the summer, whether we do like Europe or something, I haven't decided, but I really want to do it. I think he'll be at a good age, and whether, I don't know, I just think it'll be really fun to do a trip like that. So I don't know, this outfit just reminds me of like, it would be really cool to do that with him. And Italy is a really cool place. I really enjoyed it. But I've also never been to like Paris, or what's another one that I would like to go to? Spain. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see with 6-year-olds, but I think it'll be, I'm also like hopeful and praying that Scott maybe has a different job where we could like, where he could work like remote. He works remote, but I guess he can't work remote out of the country, which I think is dumb. As long as you get your work done and you're within the same time zone and can be on all your meetings, I think you should be able to do it. But nonetheless, his current position will not allow that. So I'm like hopeful that, you know, maybe he'll be in a different position, different company, who knows what can happen, / have more like vacation time where we could take like 3 weeks. I at least want 2 weeks. I would love a month, but that would be so cool. And we could have like family come visit us too, which would be really awesome. Okay, but this outfit is just giving me my European dreams. But I did wear this to the city the other weekend and it was also very cute, so. I love it. I love this dress so much. So good. The cute sneaker, fun sunny. It screams summer and I'm here for it. So this is look number 3. Very basic, very simple. Hers looks obviously a little bit different at the top, but I like how this is all just like loose and flowy. So let's move on to the 4th and final outfit. Last but not least, we've got look number 4, and this is Miss Kathleen, I think her name's Kathleen Post. She is everything in my eyes, and I love her because, so I follow her on Instagram, TikTok, all the things. She has great outfits. I feel like we have a very similar type style. She might be a little bit more out there in certain ways, but she's from Indiana. She's not like, you know, in a big popular city. Like she lives in cool, like the country, not the country, but she lives in rural like Indiana, and she's so put together, so chic, so adorable. And I love this look, and I have something very similar to it. So let's see how I do with look number 4. All right. So outfit number 4, we have the queen herself, Kathleen. I feel like she's one of the original like bloggers. I'm sure she probably still has a blog. She's stunning. She is one of the main reasons I miss long hair. I'm not gonna lie. I never thought I would really care that much to have my long hair back, but whenever I watch her like style her hair and stuff, I'm always like, oh, she has the most stunning hair. And that's like actually her natural color. She does get it highlighted now, she said, because as she's getting older, it's not as sunny and it's not as bright and she's not laying in the sun as much, which I can relate to that. But she's just so cute. So let's put on this set I got from Target, and it's good, you guys. So I don't think her set is from Target, but that's okay. We're just gonna use what we have. But it's the same kind of blue, which I love this blue. It's kind of like as if a royal / periwinkle together kind of thing. She's the big tuck, which I love a tuck. I haven't worn this since we were in Mexico. And lucky me, because this is my last outfit change of the day. I get to wear this for the rest of the day, which is so good because this is the best set. I love it. She has her hair clipped back. And she has a different kind of sunny, but this is the sunny that I have. And I already had my matcha this morning. I brought my cup downstairs. But, here we go. I wear these sandals. I think she's wearing Hermes, not the Orion or whatever. You'd think I'd know, but I don't. Not those, the other ones. I've just never been called to get those, but I do really like these ones, so. Cute, cute. I love it. That was look number 4. All right, you guys, that's it. That wraps up my 4 Pinterest outfits I was inspired to recreate using my own wardrobe for the summertime. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love making these videos. You guys seem to really enjoy watching them. And as always, let me know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one very, very soon.